on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be doing an oil change on my 2022 Honda Ruckus. It has 622 miles right now. The owner's manual calls for 600 to do the first oil change. It also has an oil screen, which I'm not going to do in this video. I'm going to let that go until my next oil change, but today I'm going to be doing the oil change on this. So I figured I'd pull the camera out and get a video on it. So I'm going to get right into doing the oil change on this. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need your oil, a 17 millimeter socket, a funnel, some paper towels, and something to drain the oil in. Okay, it also says to warm it up for like 5 minutes before you do it. So I already warmed it up before I even started filming the video. So make sure you warm it up for 5 minutes. So that is one thing they call for. They say to do other maintenance right now at 600 miles, but I'm gonna do that myself. I just wanted to get a video doing the oil. The oil nut, or the oil bolt, is right here. It's on your driver's side. Then the screen is right here, but I'm not gonna do the screen today. That's where the screen's located at. And your dipstick's gonna be on the other side, but this is where you need your 17 millimeter socket for that right there. Okay, so here's the side where your dipstick is, right here. Take your dipstick out. Just leave it sit there just so it has air. Okay, so you want to make sure the bike is level. Socket in here. Just loosen it first so you can get it with your hand. Let it all drain out until there's nothing left in there. I'm actually going to tip the bike a little bit to get the rest of it out. Okay, let it all drip out. Clean this all up here. Now this is on your driver's side. Just gonna clean it up. This side right here. Put that back in. Now if you had a torque wrench, you do what they say. I don't have one on me, so I'm just doing it. I'm not gonna go crazy to where I strip it or nothing. Like I said, 17 millimeter socket. Okay guys, so Honda says to do 0.6 quarts. And then there's other people that say do a little less than that. I'm gonna go with what Honda says for right now. Just because I believe I'm still under warranty. I'll leave everything up like, so you know what it is. And usually once I'll put it in and then I'll put it on a flat surface just to see how much I used. You want to check your levels. A lot of people say tighten it all the way down. I saw that if you just put it in there, they just want you to put it in to get your levels. Check. Pretty good. I'm gonna clean up around here. Put my dipstick back in. I'm gonna make sure my drain bolt is tightened too. Make sure nothing's coming out of that. Look good. Good on that. Just gonna let it warm up real fast. Then I'll take it out. Okay guys, so I took it for a ride and then I let it sit for like 10 minutes. So you take it for a ride or let it warm up, then let it cool down for like 10 minutes after all the oil sets down. Yep, we're good. Right where we're supposed to be at. Alright guys, so that was just a quick video. I know there's probably other ones out there on doing my oil change on my 2022 Honda Ruckus. Just so you could easily do it at home. You don't gotta take it somewhere to get it done. It's very simple. Here's the oil I got for it. I got an advanced auto. It was like $11. It's the 4-cycle motorcycle oil. It's 1040, so it was about $11. I'm in PA, so it could be different anywhere else, but that's the only place that I could actually find this. So I know I got other maintenance things I have to do this, but that was just my quick video on the oil change. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this content, just my random content on the Ruckus and also my t-shirt content and plus other things. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.